Printed fabric Custom Factory MOQ 30 PCS. Printed swimwear symbolizes energy, enthusiasm. Now basically big brands will have printed series, in addition to ordinary fabrics. Customers are increasingly using recycled fabrics. Here is one of our customers asked to make. The recycled swimwear using gingham pattern printing Repreve brand of high quality and environmental protection concept. We can also print on uneven fabrics, like the seersucker fabric. And the terry fabric can also making printing. The zibra pattern is most popular now. Triangl, Fae and Frankies love jacquard terry and textured very much. Glitter, mesh, velvet fabric can also making printed too. Come and get your own design.